Welcome back. Now, when you look to the left side, you are going to see a tab at the top, and that will be your dashboard. That'll take you back to this general section. The next tab down is going to be where you're going to be creating emails. Now, we're going to skip over that tab right now at the moment. We're now going to go to the Audience tab, and we're going to click on it. Now, what Mailchimp calls an audience in other internet service providers is called a list. And this is where your contacts for your various mailing lists will be. You'll see here in a tab on the right side that you have a menu that says Manage Audience. You'll see choices that you can make in order to manage a specific audience. You'll also see here on the left-hand side a number of things that you can do with the audiences that you already have. You can also view a specific audience. So for example, if we use this drop-down menu and we click View Audiences, you'll then see your available audiences. And it's for that reason that the Create an Audience tab is grayed out. So for the sake of this video, we are going to click on this tab and we're going to delete the audiences. We're then going to click Delete. We're then going to click Delete. And we are being told by Mailchimp that we cannot delete this particular audience, mainly because we have contacts that have come into this audience within the last 7 days. So in order to create an audience, we are going to need to upgrade our account. And so we're going to go here to this link. We're going to click Upgrade Now. We are going to choose the Essentials plan and we're going to click Upgrade. And now that we've added a payment method, and we're now going to click on Create Audience. We're going to give the audience a specific name. We're then going to want to write in a default from email address and a default from name. We're then going to set our campaign URL, and we're going to use one of our verified domains. Now, this is something that your customers are going to see. And so you're going to write in a message to them when they come to a page and they wonder how they were subscribed to this particular mailing list. You're then also going to write in how your recipients can contact you, as well as your website URL, and then you'll click Save. Once you've done that, you will then have a brand new audience to use as your mailing list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.